don't see it. Where is it?
It went left, like into that thicker stuff, but he's walking around. He might go back out again. Come on, Mr. Fox.
I think that's him right there. Standing still behind the tree.
I don't see it here.
It might not be him. Must be something else there. Where'd he go? Okay, I was looking out there at the fox. One wandering through the woods out here.
Oh, she's disappeared. She's probably under the motorhome.
Yeah.
Look at it. Uh-oh.
Coming around the back.
We're over by the puppies.
I don't know, is she? Is it?
No, well, I hope not. If they're out, they'll bark, but I doubt they're out.
Over towards Jenna.
Yep.
Huh. Well, okay. Here's landfall in South Carolina. September 30. It says it's 10:34. And we are hunkered down. No, I won't film you, babe. There's Whiskers, the fox protector. She was sounding the alert with the foxes running around this morning. Light rain. And we are hunkered down, 10:30 in the morning. And pretty secure. Every now and then we get some brisk winds. But I'm sounding off a little. But the worst is coming this afternoon with gusts from probably 50 to 60 miles an hour we're expecting, with heavy rains. We are sheltered so long as we don't get any big trees blowing over on us. We should be okay. Right, Whiskers? Man, it says it's 55 degrees. It is kind of cool in this rain. Good to be home. Just in time for the hurricane to pass by. Come on, Whiskers. And I'll try to do an update when the worst comes through. Uh-oh. We do have some wind damage. My goodness. That's not good. Already? It's blown over. I won't go out there in the rain. That's just a small tree, but see if there's anything else. Poor old foxes. There's 3 of them that live around here. We didn't see but one this morning, scurrying around for food. I hope they don't eye our kitty cat, Whiskers, for food. I think she's pretty well protected under here. Right, Whiskers? Alright. Well, the only thing we've got right now is a small tree blown down. Right now it's pretty calm. Update after a while. Give it 2-3 more hours and see, or when the wind really starts blowing and the rain starts coming in. But right now, we are in good shape.